In this video, we will show the best iPhone 11 Pro Max screen protector and tempered glasses available to buy. At number 10. ikare front and back tempered screen guard. It is made with high-quality ultra-thin but strong premium tempered glass fiber with rounded edges. It is dust-free, fingerprint-free. At number 9. Glasgow Full Protection Tempered Glass. The anti-explosion and ultimate scratch protection Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max tempered glass screen protector resists scratches and strong like diamonds hardness. At number 8. Boxxo Screen Protector Guard. It is case-friendly due to the open-edge design. Wear your favorite case and keep your screen protected at the same time. At number 7. Rexez Screen Protector. It is made of real tempered glass that protects the original screen from shattering, with an industry-leading hardness of 9H. At number 6. Spigen Screen Protector. It has an oleophobic coating for daily fingerprint resistance, the tempered glass durability rated at 9H hardness. At number 5. Case U Screen Protector. It is case-friendly due to the open-edge design. Wear your favorite case and keep your screen protected at the same time. At number 4. Kyosei's Ultra Clear Screen Protector. It provides perfect fit, high-quality materials, and craftsmanship. Precise laser-cut tempered glass made with polished. At number 3. Frazil Tempered Glass Screen Protector. The round edge design provides full coverage to each rounded edge, prevents dust from entry and provides smooth and naked phone screen experience. At number 2. First MART Screen Protector. The rounded edges for flawless integration and smooth feel. It is a DIY product, no need to be dependent on the others. At number 1. ESR Screen Protector. The bubble-free installation kit, the cleaning cloth, dust removal sticker, and wet wipe ensure a bubble and dust-free application.